Hi everyone, so here's a quick recap on how to use brackets. So here's my sentence: I really like vegetables, I prefer chocolate. So you need to think about brackets like a whisper to someone, to the reader, like you're giving them extra information. So I really like vegetables, I prefer chocolate. And that's where my brackets go. I prefer chocolate. And notice that the full stop at the end of the sentence goes inside the brackets. Let's have a look at another example. My best friend, Emma, always makes me laugh. Here I'm just including a little bit of extra information. The extra information is the fact that my best friend is called Emma. So I put that inside the brackets. My best friend, Emma, always makes me laugh. Now, if we have a look at the previous two, I've had a capital letter at the start of my brackets because I've needed them. I on its own always needs to have a capital letter. We know that already. And Emma is somebody's name, a proper noun. So again, that has a capital letter. But normally at the start of brackets, you wouldn't need a capital letter. So you can see here, we're going to do PE, physical education, on Wednesday. I'm explaining to the reader what the abbreviation PE stands for. So I put my brackets around that extra information. I don't need a capital letter for physical education, so it would just be a lowercase. And that's how you use brackets. Have fun!